8 मार्च बरोज सोमवार बरतानिया में लॉकडाउन में नरमी के फैसले के बाद स्कूल्स खोल दिए गए। स्कूल जाने पर बच्चे बहुत पुरजोश दिखाई दिए। इस बारे में हसन अली सैयद और अली से मुर्तज़ा का क्या कहना है, आइए देखते हैं।
Hello guys, tomorrow I'm happy that me and other children are going to school after a very long time. It has been very long since Boris Johnson had made an announcement that school, other shops and some parlors will be closed. Thankfully, now the lockdown is lifting and we can finally go to school. Other shops may be down, but school will finally be open. Lots of children last year and even this year have lost so much education that they could have learned. 80% of exams have been down and people aren't even getting A pluses. They usually get B minus or A minus. That is not very good. Gavin Williamson, the children secretary, said that from now on schools will be open if the vaccine works on the coronavirus. Thankfully the vaccine does, and 80% of it does do effect on the humans.
Hello everyone, I'm very excited to go back to school because now the teachers doesn't have to say submit your document, or when she's presenting a video the voice won't be glitchy. But now on Monday it will be an extraordinary day because now we can interact with friends, run and jump and use the equipment.